by these people here, by the ministers of finance. Mr. Almunia, welcome. The Eurozone has 13 member states today.
By the decision adopted finally today by the ECOFIN Council, Cyprus and Malta will become next year members of the euro area, will share with 318 million Europeans the same currency. They have been preparing their economies, their country, their institutions during the last couple of years. Since the enlargement, they have been working hard. We have been cooperating with them, with the Maltese government, with the Cyprus government, with the national banks, with the institutions, with the ministries. And it's a symbol of Europe, and it's also a block of Europe. At the same time, it's a very demanding issue, very demanding instrument. They are aware, the Prime Minister, the Finance Minister, the governors of the central banks,
It's an accomplishment which is not only significant for Cyprus and Malta.
Thank you very much. In February, Cyprus and Malta asked you right now. As you see, it is a very large but beautiful book with a gold bow.
Cyprus and Malta will be of interest to the euro areas of.
Untie the bow and to open the book, and let's have a look what's inside them. Okay. So these are the, on this festive occasion, how do you feel that now your country has accomplished this?
From the very first day that we joined the European Union, we were fully committed to adopt the euro as soon as possible as a testimony to our commitment to the ideas and the principles of the European Union. This brings us even closer to the hard core of this union. But the real thanks, beyond the people that I've already thanked, go to the people of Cyprus who have worked hard to bring us this far. Some future day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Speris. Mr. Gonzi.
I saw a little girl, I can actually see her from here, waving the Maltese flag on this beautiful occasion, which is indeed historic. And this is what inspires me to give this occasion the human side to it. What we are doing here today is not merely the end of a long process that has meant a road that brought the Maltese economy in line with specific economic criteria qualifying us for the joining of the Eurozone. But it is a human process towards prosperity.
So we are bringing Euro coins on stage with the new sides, with the Maltese and the Cypriot sides, and we would like, of course, Mr. Saris to hold on with the Cypriot side and Mr. And then we have another photo opportunity here. See, this is a historic day by the number of photographers here, right? Now, would you be so good to... For the future of Europe and the future of the euro area. That Slovakia is willing to become a new member, but nothing has been decided.